Yeah, good morning. Greetings to the girls. Hello to the boys.
Alles ist gut, alles okay, man wir sind wieder auf der Straße. Oh ja, unterwegs von A nach B, man wir sind wieder auf der Straße.
I've just spent the night out here in the area. The sun's just coming up, and Atsuro did actually take a bit of a knock. The footrest, to be precise, the rest's fine, as far as I can tell. I used the handlebars to the luggage rack with straps as a lifting aid, and those two short lashing straps too. Then I hoisted it over my neck and shoulder, and with sheer determination, I managed to get it up. I've already packed everything away again. At first, I thought it might be better to leave the stuff here, but according to the map, there's a village or something similar, 14 kilometers as the crow flies, or 26 kilometers. As the crow flies to Atar, where there is a hospital, that would be 85 kilometers. I hope the route isn't that extremely sandy again, because that will make riding rather difficult. Yeah, and the second mirror, not the one that was already there, is history too. I'll have to see if I can fit into my upper protector, or if I have to strap it on somehow. Yeah, I might get in touch again whilst I'm riding. It's just a bit of a nuance at the moment. I've been slathering on loads of that pain relieving ointment and paracetamol too. Well, I'm exaggerating. I've already used up half a packet. Right, see you later then. Yeah, it looks as tough as I must have overlooked that little stone. Then it obviously knocked me off balance there. It was probably in there, in that abyss, I can't say. Anyway, the question is whether madness is to blame for it. Everything was fine then, I wasn't paying attention, and suddenly the whole thing looked different. That's when I really knocked me for six. I took a proper turn, and at some point I just decided to get off without meaning to. But now I'll just see if I can get out of here, and we'll see how things go from there anyway. Bye. I'm in Atta, in hospital, and nothing's broken, but the one bone, the one you can see so clearly, is out of place, and they can't seem to sort it out there. They did try twisting my hand and arm around a bit, but it didn't really work. And tomorrow I'm off to Nouakchott, the capital, and apparently they can sort it out at the hospital there. And we'll see how things go from there. That's all from me for now. See you soon. Greetings to the girls, hello to the boys.